Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, we discussed about the problems of first question of exercise 1.4 students. So, today I am going to solve problems of second question. So, all of you see here. Verify that A division into bracket B plus C is not equal to A division B bracket complete plus into bracket A division C for each of the following values of A, B, C. Okay, so the second question contains total two problems, A and B. I solved A, and B problem, it is a homework for all of the students. And how to solve this one? All of you see, students, here. That is solution here. Okay, see here. First you have to write the given that is expression here, that is A division into bracket B plus C and is not equal to A division B plus A division C. See, students, here this is a LHS and this is a RHS. First here we have to check the LHS. What is the value of LHS comes? First we have to check it. Okay, B plus C. See, students, here A means how much it is? 12. Okay, fill it. Okay, and into the bracket B means how much it is? B means how much it is? It is minus 4, and C means how much it is? 2. Okay, next 12 division. Here first we have to simplify both these. First here we have to simplify the integers of the integers, those who are in the bracket, students. Okay, this minus 4 write as it is, plus 2 also write as it is. Okay, 12 division into bracket. Here both the numbers are different, and here it means here we have to do the subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2 comes, and the bigger number is 4. It has a sign as a 2. Okay, so after that here we have to do the division. Okay, 12 divided by 2. So here first we have to do the division of the sign. Plus division minus comes. Now after that we have to divide here. That is 2 ones are 2 6. So the answer is minus 6. Now students, we have to check the RHS. Okay, how much comes RHS? See here, RHS is equal to A division B plus A division C. Okay, what is the value of A here? What is the value of A here? It is 12. This one I am going to write as a upside and downside, that is 12, and B means how much it is? Minus 4. Okay, division, sorry, it is a plus, and what is the value of A here? It is a 12. Okay, C means how much it is? 2. So the next, students, all of you see here, here we have to simplify. Okay, plus division minus comes. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Okay, so here this 3 comes, write plus as it is, and here also we have to divide the sign here. Plus division plus comes. Okay, 2 ones are 2 6 are. Okay, here both these integers have different sign. It means here also we have to do the subtraction. That is 6 minus 3, 3 comes, and the bigger number is 6. It has plus sign. It means here you may put plus or not. See, students, here LHS comes how much it is? Minus 6 comes, and RHS comes how much it is? Plus 3 comes. It means LHS is not equal to RHS. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. It means the values of LHS side and RHS sides, both these are not equal, students. Okay, therefore, therefore here we write therefore, and here hence verified. This much only, students. Okay, so now let me solve the third problem. The questions of third question. Problems of third question. All of you see, students, here. Here in the third question, total we have 10 problems. I am going to solve 5 problems, and 5 problems, they are the homework for all of you. Okay, see here. Here they given us the answer as a 369. Okay, here by which number if we divide this 369, we get answer as a 369. Tell students, it is nothing but 1. It means when we divide this 369 by 1, we get answer as a 369. Very easy problem, students. Okay, and see here we have to get as a answer 1. Okay, to get as a answer 1, for this 206 minus 206, we have to divide by which number? It is nothing but minus 206, because this integer contains minus sign. That's why we have to divide this number by same number, that is minus 206. Minus division minus plus becomes 206 1 is 206, 206 1 is 206. That much only, students. Okay, so the next, see here we have to get answer as 87, but here they given us minus 87. It means here we have to divide this number by minus 1. Okay, minus division minus plus comes 87. When you divide this 87 by 1, we get answer as 87. Okay, students, and see here they given us answer as a minus 2. It means by this 20 we have to divide by which number? Okay, see here 10 is we have divided this 20 by 10, but here the answer is it is in the form of negative integer. That's why we have to here take as a minus 10. When you divide this 20 by minus 10, we get answer as a minus 2. Understood, students? So the next one, here the answer is minus 3. Okay, it means by which number if we divide this 4, we get answer as a minus 3. It is nothing but minus 12. When you divide this minus 12 by 4, we get answer as a minus 3, students. So these are the solution for the problems of third question. I hope all of you understood all these problems, and remaining problems, they are the homework for all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.